In this video, I'll show you how to use keyframes in Final Cut Pro X. So as an example, I'm going to make it so the video starts with a blur, but over time it comes into focus. So I have blur here I have Gaussian blur in the inspector, and we need to mess with this amount. So at the beginning of the clip, I'm going to, on the right side, right next to amount, add a keyframe. And then after, say, around here, I'm going to add another keyframe, and here I'm going to set the amount to 0. And now if you play it back, you'll see the clip slowly comes into focus. And if you see on the top here, when I play the video, you'll see the amount coming down. And you can do this with pretty much anything. So say if I wanted to zoom in to the video when it began, I can do that by messing with the scale keyframe. So I'm gonna start the video at 64%, and I'm going to add a keyframe, and then we're gonna go to the point where the video came into focus, which is right here, and I'm gonna then add another keyframe on the scale, and we're gonna set this to 100. So now if I play it back, the scale is going to slowly increase, as well as the blur is going to decrease. And that is how you use keyframes in Final Cut Pro X. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more.